Hey everybody, this is Stephen Casey Railfan here, and welcome to another quick locomotive and rolling stock update. So, as you see here, I still have no new locomotives. I just want to show you guys an update on some locomotives I've been working on. As you can see right here, I have my trio of Dash 8s. All these are former Santa Fe units. Previously on one time I showed you that I did some work on the 580, which is a while back. So here it is. It was originally numbered A623, but I later renumbered the locomotive to 580 to match how they are right now, because I believe somewhere in like 2015 or so, BNSF renumbered their B40-8s. So I got that. I think this is a pretty stunning locomotive, and did a good job renumbering it. Another locomotive I have renumbered is this locomotive. This is my Atlas B40-8 in the Stamp Base game. I basically patched it up and renumbered it to 577 because that's what the decals I had, like when I ordered them from Switchline. So here's what it looks like. Now let me move 580 out of the way. There it is. And on the other side, look at that, looking really good. In the back side, not my best work, but apparently I had some little trouble trying to get the decal lined up because of the grab iron, so this is the best I could do. Look at that rear. So there's the 577. So there's that, and this is another locomotive. This is my Walters Mainline B40-8W, which is, it used to be numbered 574, but I renumbered it to 554, and that's the best I can do. And I even I just took off the 7, and then I add the BNSF letters, and did the number boards on it. Not my best work, but I tried. And I got that. But as for the rear, as you can see, it still says number 574. I still need to get that off, maybe. So, anyways, there's my B40-8 trio. I've been doing some good work, because I think the best work I did is probably the B40, the Santa Fe one. So, yeah. So, moving quite along. Here are some of my BN locomotives I'm currently done. As you can see, I have officially finished the SD60M. I renumbered it to 1457. This is, as you can see, did a really good job on this, because it's very nice. Because I know that the real 1457 does not have the American flag decal, but I'm just going to keep it there because I think it looks really nice. And as you know, basically just removed the BN right there, and then I patched up the number board there, and also the number boards here. That's very nice. Very stunning. And there's that. And there it is. I'm pretty sure this is actually another good locomotive. I think it turned out pretty well. And then my other locomotive, this is my Bachmann Gp40. Well, you can refer to this as a Gp40M. I numbered it to 3015 because I believe BNSF only has 3 Gp40Ms still in BN paint, according to what I saw on heritageunits.com. So I just patched it up like this. But the number boards are not on, so I'll have to put the decals of the number boards on, so in the future. So there it is right there. That's my BN duo right here. Very nice. And next, I'll show you some rolling stock, because I have 2 new rolling stocks. They're these ones right here. I was actually really surprised. I was able to find these online. These are 2 Norfolk Southern Top Guns. I ordered these from Legacy Station. I was actually surprised I actually found these online, so I'm really glad I picked up 2 of them. For those who don't know what BLMA is, it's actually a company that they have been making model trains. I'm not sure when they began business, but they went out of business before, and then Atlas bought BLMA and then got some of their tooling. And that's why you can see some of them on the Top Guns and also the Reefers. So I picked up 2 of them because they'll be perfect if I ever want to do my NS Cull train. It's really nice. So I just have them in the box right now, but I'll have them unboxed sometime later soon. Since it's currently, as of now, it's almost like 11 p.m. Central Standard Time, and I had a long day today because, you know, been busy with work and also personal life. So, anyways, I know it is pretty late, and, you know, it's like 11 p.m. Central Time. So, yeah. So, basically, that's all I want to share with you guys. Some of the locomotives that I've been working on lately, and the new rolling stock, and also the BN right here. So, anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.